Hi guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial videos with Nicole. Today I'm gonna be doing a sort of like a Valentine's Day makeup look, even though Valentine's Day is early. But this is to get some ideas for what looks to wear, and for you girls, what looks do you want to wear for Valentine's Day? Let's say if you're gonna go out, you're gonna go on a date. Let's say if you do have a boyfriend, you could. If not, that's fine. But if you want to celebrate Valentine's Day, then you want to do makeup looks, that's fine with me. All right, so we're gonna do a new makeup look for 2025, but we're gonna do like a Valentine's look just to give you some ideas of what looks to wear on a day of that's Valentine's Day. And today, like I had talked about in my last video, we are going to be using the new products to get some ideas for Valentine's Day looks. All right, so enjoy this video and let's get started. All right, so the first week back to school, it was not too bad, but it was good since I just got the opportunity to meet up with my friends that I've been friends with in the past, and I make some new friends in my new classes I'm taking this semester. So it was overall good so far. I just had to talk to them for like a few minutes on when to hang out, just because I failed to hang out this month because I was so shy to text to them via like regular text messages or Instagram. When's a good day to hang out and when my friends is free. When's the day that we're gonna hang out. Like I got a little nervous, but I try my best at least. And my best friend Alexa, I'd always text to. We always stay in touch with each other and plan things out of when's the day that we're gonna hang out and when's the next time we're gonna see each other. Because I miss seeing my best friend Alexa, and I miss seeing my friends. I miss seeing my people that I've been friends with in the past. And hopefully we'll get to have more time spending time together to hang out. Also, we can have the chance to make vlogs together, since I want to like post more of my new YouTube videos on my main YouTube channel more often, like almost every day, except the days that I have school going on. Unless if I'm on break, let's say, then I will have the chance to post more of my YouTube videos like almost 7 days a week. So as soon as I finish college, let's say if I graduated already, then I will have the chance to post more YouTube videos like almost every day, because the more videos, then the more audience I will get more subscribers, boost up my views, the number of views, more likes, and more comments on my videos and other posts on social media like that. By the way, I've been using the same concealer like almost like in every single of my videos. So I need to give that a rest. I need to like throw it out. So I will probably throw this one out, since I had it like back in 2021. So I will have to throw that out in March. So I will no longer use it, because that was my last straw to use this concealer. So I'm done using this Maybelline concealer, just because I've been using it too much. So why is it not open? Oh my god, this is not good. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Got on my hands. Okay, now it's working. I had to figure something out off camera, but at least I got it. Alright, I'll clean my hands when I'm done, so don't worry. By the way, this is a new product I'm using from my last video that I showed you. Okay, so like I said, I definitely want to get more social life, just because I need to prove more. If I don't prove more, then I would not be happy if I did not take a chance and take advantage to spend more time with my friends. Oh my god, why is this so wicklet? Just because it's called wicklet makeup. I don't know why I chose that product. in case if I'm running out of like face products, then I would use it like as for my backup plan. Alright, I'm gonna put face powder so my face is not sticky. Just because I put like too much foundation. I'm gonna put blush on. Alright, I'm gonna do eyebrows. And by the way, ignore my bangs just because I have washed my hair this morning. But at least I brushed my hair, I blow dry it, but kindly ignore for now until I'm done doing my makeup. So I'll show you the final look. And I meant to change up my hairstyle since I'm overusing wearing this hairstyle and I'm currently wearing right now. But I will change up my hairstyle and my look off camera. By the way, today I'm going to be using this palette called Beauty Treats Precious Gems Shadow Plus Glitter Palette that I had showed you in my last video for the new products for the new year. So today I'm going to be using this sort of like this dark red color to create like a glamorous Valentine's Day look. Right there. And I'm going to take this brush. This is from e.l.f. This blending brush. Period. Right, I'm gonna put it right here in the lid, this eyelid. Okay, not too bad, but it's almost sort of like a dark pink color. But it's okay though. It's like a strawberry red color. I'm gonna be using another color. So I'm gonna take another brush. I'm gonna take maybe this brush. This is like this eyeshadow brush. This is from Wet n Wild, by the way. I'm gonna be using the pink color, this cotton candy color right there, just to make it more glamorous and more like the Valentine's colors. All right, and I'm gonna slowly press it down so I don't mix the red, just because I want to show the red and the pink at the same time. I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. Alright, I'm going to be using this LA Colors 16 color eyeshadow palette. This is a palette I just showed you in my last video. Alright, it has the sponge applicator eyeshadow brush, but I am not using that today, but I just want to like wear like a soft brush. I'm going to change this brush. This is like a blending brush. And I'm going to use sort of like this mixed with white and silver color. I'm just gonna grab a little bit so I don't mix the red and the pink at the same time, just because I want to show it, the red and pink. All right, not too bad. This is almost like a whitish color. It's like snow. It's like winterish. I'm gonna slowly press it down so I don't mix the red and the pink. Okay, it is not too bad, but it looks good though. So I'm gonna do the lower lash line on the eyeshadows off camera, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I finished putting on eyeshadow on the lower lash line. So now I'm gonna be using this the brown liquid eyeliner from CoverGirl. And while I'm doing the eyeliner, let me finish talking to you about what do I want to prove on when I hang out with my friends next time. So in order to get more social life, let's say if I want to hang out with people that I'm friends with in the past, maybe I should stay in touch with them more by texting every day, asking how they're doing, what they're up to, or when to plan a date to hang out. Because I definitely want to like prove on my social life, even though it is getting proved. But I definitely want to like prove more social life by staying in touch with my friends more every day. And not only to stay in touch with my friends more every day, but I had to constantly ask them if they have plans for the weekend, or if they're busy, or they had some things to do. I don't know about them, but if I ask, I'll find out if they're busy or not. And if not, if they ask why, then I will tell them, oh, I was thinking if I want to hang out with you, spend time with you on the weekends, or we could just hang out. I'll invite them to come over to my place for dinner, and we could just make a vlog together that we're doing like a get together. So before I talk more about what I want to prove on for my next social life when I hang out with my friends next time, I've been using the same mascara that I've been using like for almost every single my goddamn videos in my makeup channel, my makeup YouTube channel. So it is getting overused, like I told you in my last video that I show you all my new products for the new year in 2025. So I need to give that a rest. I need to throw it out. I'm gonna have to start throwing it out in the next 6 months. So I am done using this mascara. I'm overusing it too much. That was my last straw to use it. So I am now replacing the old one to this new one. So this is a Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara. So I am replacing this old one to this new one. Alright, so now I can continue to talk about to do my social life, prove my social life more. Alright, so I definitely want to prove my social life by hanging out with my friends more often, spend more time with them. Well, let's say if I have school going on, then I only hang out with my friends the days that I do not have classes, and especially Fridays, and especially on the weekends, that I want to spend more time with my friends, get to know more each other. If we haven't have the chance to like talk about each other, like what things we like to do, and get to know them more. So I gotta like spend more time with my friends, as I want to like prove my social life. So I will do my best to prove my social life for the new year. That's for my New Year's resolutions, by the way. To spend more time with my friends, get more improvements for my social life, so I can hang out with my friends more, and not being jealous anymore. And then once it's proved, but fully proved, and if I'm happy that I'm improving my social life by spending more time with my friends, or let's say my friends invited me to hang out more often, then I will no longer be jealous or be upset or be depressed that I have the chance to hang out with my friends, or not having my friends to invite me to hang out. Alright, so speaking of which, I've been using this same brand of those false lashes for every single my videos. I don't know why, so I'm gonna have to give that a rest. I will throw it out in the next few months, just because I've been overusing it too much in every single of my videos. I don't know why, except for my dance choreography tutorial videos. I never use these type of those false lashes like that. So I gotta get better rest. Like I need to like throw it out. But at least I'm gonna be wearing this new lashes. Yay! Alright, so I'm not sure which ones of those. By the way, they have two styles, two copies of the false lashes style. So I'm gonna use like the bottom part. So I'll put them on off camera since it takes a while. I'm gonna use this lash glue and I'm gonna use the tweezers to put on my fake eyelashes. I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is the first time I'm wearing these lashes from that brand. And I will link it down below in the video description. You can go check it out. Alright, so looks good on me. Alright, so I'm gonna be using these lipstick products. But I wish to wear this, but because of the Valentine's colors, unfortunately I cannot wear it unless I mix with a different color, either red or pink. But for now, I'm going to be using this metallic pink lipstick from NK Makeup. This color is called Tester. It's like light pink color. Just pretty cool. And I'm going to be using this red lipstick from NK Makeup. It's called Lip Shine Lip Gloss. Color is cherry. It's like metallic red color. Alright guys, so that's the finish of my glamorous Valentine's Day early makeup look. So I need to fix my hair a little bit because my bangs is like a little messy and I need to change up my hairstyle a little bit. So I will be right back for the end of the video and I will talk to you about more of the YouTube videos too. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, by the way. My hair, I fixed it up a little bit. I just put a high ponytail and plus I did my bangs like the way I wanted to do. Alright, so thanks for watching my today's video, this glamorous early Valentine's Day look. If you want to see more of my makeup tutorial videos in my fashion and beauty YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new updates that I have post. And I will do my best to post more of my dance choreography tutorial videos. I don't know what happened. I just reunited since July of 2024, but I don't know what's going on with me with my schedule, my days that I'm gonna be free to do have the opportunity to do like dance choreography tutorial videos, but there's still more to come, so don't worry. I'm gonna try my best to post more of my dance choreography tutorial videos. Alright, so enjoy the rest of your weekend if I don't see you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next videos.